Hey everybody, guess what? I'm a cooking again. And I'm thinking during the pandemic, we need to be eating good, healthy meals, not eating junk food. So today before I go to work, I'm making a big old batch of collard greens. You say, collard greens? I don't know how to do that. Are they really good for you? Yes, they're extremely good for the immune system. Now, first of all, I started out with some really fresh, organic collard greens. Now, just a little bit of them are left here. Chop them up nicely there. They're beautiful. Got those at a local food co-op. And it's really simple. You only need a few ingredients to make really good collard greens. Here's all you need. You need some olive oil, a little bit of Lea and Perrins. You need some chicken broth and some salt and pepper. That's all you need. Now, the way I start my collard greens is I put a little bit of garlic in the pan with some olive oil and some chopped onion and red pepper flakes. I get the onions where they're just translucent. Then I add the collard greens, the salt, the pepper, and a little bit of broth. And the end result is this beautifully cooked collard greens. Now, you may have heard you got to cook collard greens all day long. Well, I got to tell you, this is my quick and easy recipe that can be done from stovetop to tabletop in less than 20 minutes. And trust me, they're going to be tender, they're going to be delicious. Again, it's healthy collard greens, great for the immune system. So again, just to review, the only ingredients you're going to need, there they are. Some olive oil, a dash or two of the Lea and Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and the chicken broth. And of course, I told you how you're going to prepare it. And again, it's going to be great. So you guys have a good day. Stay healthy and eat your collard greens. Your mom always told you that, didn't she?